Hello everyone, welcome to General Measures channel. In this session, we will demonstrate how to communicate between the GMT-X4 and the Modbus poll tool via the RS485 serial port. GMT-X4 supports multiple communication interfaces. Serial communication RS232, RS485, CAN communication, Ethernet communication, Modbus TCP/IP, field bus communication, including Profinet, Ethercat, Ethernet IP, and CC-Link IE. In this tutorial, we will take RS485 connection as an example. The procedure for RS232 is similar. First, connect the GMT-X4 instrument to the host computer using the RS485 data transmission interface. On the GMT-X4 main interface, press Enter to calibration menu. Then press the right key to enter the communication parameter menu. Select COM1 and press Enter. Then choose 1.1 COM1 ID. Use the up-down keys to set the value. Press Enter to confirm. Press the down key to select 1.2 baud rate. Use the up-down keys to choose the baud rate. Press Enter to confirm. Press the down key to select 1.3 protocol. Select Modbus RTU. Press Enter to confirm. Press the down key to select 1.4 data format. Choose the default value AE1. Press Enter to confirm. Press the down key to select 1.5 double word format. Choose the default value ABCD. Press Enter to confirm. Since this demonstration uses the Modbus RTU protocol, which is not a continuous transmission protocol, this parameter does not need to be set. After completing the instrument settings, open your computer and configure the Modbus poll software as follows. Check the serial port. Open Device Manager. Locate ports, COM and LPT, and find the current RS485 port name. In Modbus poll, click Read Write Definition, and in the slave ID field, input the slave ID you set in the instrument. Establish the connection. Click Connection. Connect. In the connection setup, select the same data format as you set on the GMT-X4. Connection type, serial port. Serial settings, select your current RS485 port. Baud rate, 38,400. Data format, AE1. Ensure all settings are consistent with those on the GMT-X4. Click OK to connect. When communication is successful, the COM1 indicator on the instrument will flash, showing the communication is successful. The weight value on the GMT-X4 will be consistent with the display on the Modbus poll software. That's how you set up communication between GMT-X4 and Modbus poll through the RS485 port. In the next video, we will explain how to configure Ethernet communication Modbus TCP/IP on the GMT-X4.